Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome. I'm so glad you guys are here. It's finally December, the last month of the year. Is the holidays. I don't know if you guys have the Christmas spirit already. I love baking. I don't know, every time during this time I love making cookies, and I love this season. I really do. And today is super cold. I live in Florida. It's giving me that winter vibe, and I love that. And because it's so cold, I'm like, you know what, I created this eye makeup look. I was going to use the palette that I received with just green tones, but because it's icy, I just went more with a blue tone. So if you guys want to see this eye makeup look, I'm going to do a video separate, not to make this video too long, so you guys could check it out if you want. So don't forget to subscribe if you're new. But guys, thank you so much for watching this video, taking up your time to see this unboxing. But before I get started, I'm gonna go ahead and do a giveaway really soon, and these are some of the items I already have. This is one of those Ipsy bags that I got, but I want to put more items here. That's why I want to make it official, but the box is coming together, so you guys don't want to miss out on that. Go ahead and subscribe, so once that video is up, you guys are up to already know when it's coming up. And there's an Natasha Denona palette there too, giveaway that I'm doing. So now, yes, let's go ahead and do the unboxing for Boxyluxe. So this variation, I am not sure what variation it is, because it's the first time that I see this number on the bottom. It has a letter C, 2012 420 LX. I don't know what that means. So but I could tell you that this variation, guys, this box is $476 worth. Excited for that. So let's go ahead and see what I received. So of course, the first thing that I received is what I actually use, and it's that Hip Dot palette that everybody's going to be getting. I'm excited for this palette. I was a little surprised because I thought the palette was going to be more matte shades. There was more shimmers, so that's why I kind of have to change exactly what I was going to do. But I think it worked out pretty good. I really like how the makeup came out, and I'm excited because I am loving these two palettes. This was like my go-to. I did a makeup video showing you guys some ideas using this palette, and now I really love this palette. If you guys want to see how I created that makeup look, I'm gonna be sharing a video about that. It's inspired by the gleaming golds, and it's from the sacred underground pools of Mexico. So I love where the Mayans believed they could speak directly to the gods, and they always have a theme of what inspired them to create the shades in a palette, and I like that because it is connected to nature. So I love that. So as you know, this one is $30, and everybody's going to be getting it in their Boxyluxe. So the next item, which I am super excited, I feel like I'm surprised that I have not used it yet. I just can't wait to use this, and it's Sunday Riley, guys. This is huge. This is huge. This already is what made me want to get the box, and this is from Good Jeans. Well, actually it's from Sunday Riley. Good Jeans lactic acid. Every time I go to Sephora, I like to ask questions about skincare, because guys, my face was horrible with a lot of acne scars and hyperpigmentation, and really taking care and using the right products have improved my skin, which I am impressed. And a lot of the times they always tell me that they recommend this product, especially lactic acid is really good for the type of complications that I have on my skin, and for many things too, but that's really gonna attack that. But the price is the reason why I've never really got it, and getting it from Boxycharm is huge for me. As you know, this one retails for $85, reducing the look of lines and wrinkles and dark spots. Exactly, dark spots, which is something that I still struggle, but not as much like before. This is why they always recommend this for my type of skin, and anytime I watch videos about skincare, they do recommend lactic acid. So this to me is a huge bonus that we got it from Boxycharm. Next, the other product that I received, I did not use it because I think I might give it away. This is the iconic London. I was excited to try this. This is a Blaze Chaser face palette. But today, I don't know if you guys have seen my unboxing from the base and premium. I did a video unboxing both and trying out some of the products, and one of those products I tried was this palette, which I was surprised. I was not expecting. It's funny because I do spoilers, and this one I did not know about. So once I got it, I was a little bit shocked. I was not wowed by what I saw, but I was wowed how it looked on my skin. It makes my skin look so natural, and I love that. It blends nicely. So I'm in love with that palette already, and it's the one that I'm using again today, and that's the reason why I did not want to try this one. I don't want to use it. It looks super pretty, but I am loving that palette. So I'm thinking if I might include this on a giveaway, or I don't know if I might try it and see if I like it too. But in the meantime, everybody's going to be getting this palette in Boxyluxe if you're subscribed, and this palette retails for $55, and it's a face palette. Next we received oh, this is really pretty. These are the Luxie glitter and gold brush set, which I think goes perfect with the theme, because it's called glitter and gold. So I think that goes great with this theme, which is bubbles and glitz. For the month of December, I love that it comes with the case. It looks so professional, like a true makeup artist. I love that. And in here, you guys get to see the brushes. Look how cute the brushes are. But I don't know if I'm gonna keep it or if I'm gonna give it away, because some of these brushes, I don't know. I know we always use them, and I don't know, I have to think about it. That's why I did not use them in case they're gonna be in a giveaway. And look how cute this is. So how much this retails for all this package? This one retails for $85. Next we received, this is from Ressa. I don't know if you guys watch the show. I know you guys probably won't believe this, but I love watching the Real Housewives, and this is from Shouts of Sunset. I ever since they started, I watched that show. I love the show. I miss some of the people that are not in it, but of course Ressa has been there from the beginning. I love Ressa. I love Mike too on the show. Well, Ressa, I remember this was shown on this, I think on this season. It was pretty short. I don't know, I think the season was pretty short. He talked about this and he was so excited. He talked how much he invested on this and how excited he was on this. He never took us behind the scenes how he came about this, but he did show us when he first launched. I think it was in Vegas, and it was in the Sally Beauty Supplies. That's where this product was first available. But I don't know too much more about it, but I'm excited to try it. This is from Ressa. This is called Be Obsessed. Love Might Leave In, and this is for all hair types. It has 7 mystic ingredients. It has champagne for high shine, crushed diamonds for brilliance, rose of Jericho to nourish, pea protein for strength, king coconut oil to fortify, black truffle oil to moisturize, and strawberry seed extract as an antioxidant. And just hearing that there is champagne and crushed diamonds, it feels totally bubbles and glitz. This one doesn't disappoint at all, and I love Ressa too, so I'm excited to try it. I feel like this is totally weird and off, but I love how it smells too, so I'm excited for that. Well, this one retails, guys, for $22, which I'm surprised, making it so affordable. Next, I received this item. As you know, this item was going to be a choice item. This is called Hot Mess. They sent me back from an account, Hot Mess Mama. I'm pretty sure you guys know her. So when I saw this and it was a choice, I was like, I wonder if Hot Mess Mama is going to pick it. But yeah, this is called Hot Mess. It's from Brockins. I received some of the products from Brockins. It was a thick liner, and this is a little similar. They're pretty thick, and these are some eye shadows. These are eye pens, and they come in 3 colors: black, blue, and green, and they're glitter. I don't want to open it because I'm going to be giving it away. This item retails for $40, so I wonder if you guys selected this as your choice. I do like that this is a blend all around the eye to create a drama and sparkly dance floor magic. I think it goes great with the theme as well for this month. Next, I received this product. It's funny how my husband knows this, because we've been getting this brand for a while, and he's like, you got that thing again? But of course, every single one of them is different. It does a different thing, and this one is for Avant Skincare Intensive Redensifying Glycolic Acid Day Moisturizer. This one I'm planning to keep because glycolic acid is so great for all the complicated things that I mentioned earlier for my skin. It goes great with that. And I feel like a lot of these things that I received are going to help me improve my skincare routine. So glycolic acid is great. Urea is such a great moisturizer. It really it's great to hydrate your skin. And shea butter, so I'm excited for this. The price, every time I see their price, it's like, what? So I hope it really works great on my skin. So this one, the price is $123, so I'm gonna be trying it out. It's sad that it's small, but I'm really running out of the last moisturizer that I have, which I am loving. And okay, something else that was a choice. Remember, the choice was going to be between a smile kit for your teeth or a pair of earrings. This one I received is called Sexy by Stephanie Taylor. How cute are those? These retails for $36. So I wonder if you guys selected the cushion cut CS Halo stud earrings. I don't wear earrings, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna ask if somebody in my family wants it, but if not, I'm gonna be giving it away. And guys, I think, is this it? Is this my box? Yes guys, this is everything. So everything that I mentioned, like I mentioned, this box retails for $476. I'm happy with the box because it's, yes, a lot of the times what I love about Boxycharm is because a lot of makeup, a lot of skincare. This one, it was mostly skincare that I need, skincare that I've been wanting, and it's super expensive. So I'm glad that I got it on this box. So I'm happy with the box. And guys, yeah, I'm excited to be giving stuff away, so stay tuned for that giveaway. So thank you guys for spending some of your time with me, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I invite you to subscribe to my channel, to give it a like, and thank you guys again, and until the next video, bye.